AI agents are getting pretty scary. I mean, in my last video, Hermes Agent literally hacked a proper server and got full remote code execution on it. But there's one problem: cost. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free access to top AI models, including API access, and use it to power your favorite AI tools. I'm also going to show you how to install Hermes Agent locally so you can use it all day without spending a single penny. When I say free AI models, I'm not talking about free chat, and I'm also not talking about the models that's already free on OpenRouter. We've already covered that before. What I want to show you is the top AI models used with the top agentic AI tools. For example, if we go to openrouter.ai/apps, you'll see the top AI apps that people are using these days. And if we click on one of these apps and scroll down, you'll see the top models that people are using. And they're actually similar between these productivity apps. So as you can see, we have MiniMax M3 as the top here for OpenClaw, StepFun 3.7, GLM 5.2, which is one of my favorites, and Nemotron. I'm going to show you how to get all of these for free. But first, just to show you how much it would cost you if you actually use these apps through OpenRouter, we can simply compare them in here. And as you can see, none of them is actually free, with GLM 5.2 and Nemotron 3 Ultra being the most expensive. Now I'm going to show you how to get free access to these top paid AI models and use them with any AI tool that you want, like OpenClaw, Hermes, and so on. All you have to do is simply go to build.nvidia.com/models. And again, you're going to see a list of all of the models that you can use through this website, through Nvidia's website. But we want to use the free models. So we're going to toggle the free endpoints toggle in here, click apply. And as you can see, we can use GLM 5.2 for completely free. And we even have MiniMax M3 in here available for free, which is actually the top AI model that is currently being used with OpenClaw. Now I opened all of these in new tabs, as you can see, and you can simply play around with them through chat by clicking on the playground in here. But you're not here to use it through chat. We want to link them to our agentic frameworks. So you're going to have to, first of all, sign up. We're going to click on the login, put in your email address in here, set up a username and a password. You're going to get an email with a code. Make sure you paste it in here. It's also going to ask you to provide a name for your cloud account. You can choose anything you want. And it's going to bring you back to the same page. Now, all you have to do is simply click on Generate API Key. So we can get a key that we can use to authenticate our agentic framework, whether it's Hermes, OpenClaw, or any other agentic framework you want, with this cloud provider so that you can use these AI models for free. So all you have to do is simply put in your phone number just for verification. You're going to get a code as an SMS. Use that code to verify in here. And once done, you will be redirected to this page. And if I click on Generate API Key again, as you can see, I'm going to get a new API key. And now you can use this key to power any AI tool for free. If you want the ultimate free setup, then you want to install the AI tool locally. If you want more security and 24/7 availability, then you want to install the AI tool on the cloud. I'm going to show you both methods, but we're going to start with the local method because that's going to be completely free. And as an example, I'm going to show you how to do this with Hermes Agent because that is my favorite agentic AI framework. So to install Hermes Agent locally, all you have to do is simply go to their website, and usually with any AI tool, even OpenClaw, you'll have a one-liner that you can use in order to install that tool based on your operating system. Now I'm going to be installing it on Linux, on Kali Linux to be specific. So I'm going to be copying this command in here, open up a terminal and paste it. And while waiting, this would be the perfect time to help us grow so we can make more videos. All you have to do is simply smash that like button and share the video with friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, then subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video like this one. And perfect, now Hermes Agent is installed and we have the setup wizard in here. Usually I go with the full setup, but I covered this in a previous YouTube video. Check it out if you're interested in that. So now, because we're focusing on just providing free AI or free intelligence to it, I'm gonna go with the blank slate option because that's the quickest. And the first thing it's gonna ask us to do is set up the brains or the intelligence provider. So I'm going to go down and select Nvidia NIM, which is the platform that we're using. It's going to ask me for the API key, which we just created. So I'm simply going to copy it from here and paste it. And you actually don't need a new API key per model. You'll see in a second. This single API key is going to give me access to all of the models that I can use through Nvidia's build platform in here. So I'm going to hit enter and it's going to ask me for the base URL. It's already set to the correct one for Nvidia, so I'm just going to hit enter to select the default. And as you can see, I get a list of all of the AI models that I can use through this platform. So let's go ahead and run the Nvidia Nemotron Ultra, which is actually one of the top ones for Hermes Agent at the moment. We're going to keep everything local and we're going to start with everything disabled. Like I said, we want to run this quickly. And if I run Hermes again, as you can see, it has loaded the AI model that we want. And if I ask it, which AI model are you running? Just to confirm that everything is set up properly. As you can see, it's telling us that it is running the Nvidia Nemotron 3 Ultra at completely free at no cost because we didn't even give our credit card information. Now, it's really easy from here to change the model. So I can simply do model, hit enter, select Nvidia, and again, I have a list of all of the models that I can use for free. If you already had Hermes installed, you don't actually have to reinstall it. All you have to do is simply run Hermes model. And again, you're going to get the same wizard that we used earlier, select Nvidia, and you will be good to go. Now, this setup has one issue. It is the ultimate free setup because we're getting free top AI models and we're running the AI tool for free because it is running on my own computer locally. But because of that, it is less secure because these AI tools can be hacked and can be hijacked. Also, if you want to get the AI tools or agents to run 24/7 and be able to communicate with them from anywhere in the world and give them work to do, you will have to keep this computer running also 24/7. So if this is an issue to you, then the solution would be to run the AI tool on the cloud. You can still get free AI models to power it, which will save you a lot of money, but you'll still have to pay for the cloud provider. You can choose any cloud provider that you want. I'm going to show you how to do it with Hostinger, the sponsors of this video, because their pricing is completely deterministic. So you'll always pay the same amount per month, not based on usage, and you won't have to worry about paying for the AI model because we're getting them for free. And I'm also going to show you how to get an extra discount. All you have to do is simply go to hostinger.com/zSecurity. And you'll see the different machines that you can use to run your favorite AI tools on. We're going to go with the most popular as it gives us 2 CPUs and 8 GB of memory. And you want to keep the period to 24 months or 12 months to get the best discount. And to get a further discount, I'm going to click on have a coupon code and type in zSecurity. And if you click apply, you'll get a further 10%, as you can see. Now, if we scroll down and select applications, you will see so many applications that you can launch from here with a single click. So you can simply start Hermes, OpenClaw, and A10 just by simply selecting it in here. Again, I'm going to go with Hermes Agent because that's my favorite. I'm going to click confirm and continue. Login or register. Register if you don't have an account, and then it's going to take you through the billing. They accept so many different payment methods. Finish up the billing and the payment. Set an admin username and password. We're going to be using these to log in into Hermes and click deploy. This will take a couple of minutes and perfect. Now the server is created. And before I show you how to link it to our free AI models, I just want to show you in here. If we actually just go to OS and panel, you can change the application that is running on the server by simply clicking any of the applications that you see in here. So you won't have to create a new server for new applications. But going back to overview, to our Hermes agent that we just created. We can click on Open App to access the web interface, or we can simply click the app terminal to get a terminal environment. And from here, we can simply do Hermes model, similar to what we did locally. And that'll show us the model drop-down list. Select Nvidia, paste in the API key that we created, keep the base URL, select the default model, and again, we're going to set it to the Nemotron Ultra, and that's it, we're good to go. So we can simply run Hermes now. And again, as you can see, the default model is set to Nemotron, and if we ask it, which AI model are you using? As you can see, it is telling us that it is using the Nvidia Nemotron 3 Ultra, and like I said, this is going to be completely free. Now keep in mind, guys, that this AI model and the other AI models that I showed you are supposed to be paid. So the fact that you're getting them here for free means that they might be a little bit slower than the paid version, and also there might be a little bit of throttling. Other than that, enjoy the free access that you just got for all of these paid top AI models. I hope you found the video useful. Please show us some love and help us grow by liking the video and sharing it with friends and subscribing to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video like this.